Welcome to BuyTheDip.news. Today is June 29, 2026. Our AI model found 4 stocks today with both an article rating of buy and a metric score rating of buy, based on our fundamental and technical analysis. In this video we cover 3 of them. Here's the breakdown. The following content is for informational and educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always conduct your own research before making any investment decisions. NVIDIA Corporation. Technology sector. Semiconductors. NVIDIA announced a new strategic partnership with Australian AI cloud company Firmus Technologies, under which Firmus will buy NVIDIA hardware and offer NVIDIA-powered cloud services to startups and smaller AI-focused companies. Firmus plans to deploy 170,000 GPUs between early 2027 and early 2028 at facilities in Batam, Indonesia, with existing customer commitments expected to generate as much as $30 billion in revenue over the first 6 years. The goal is to give smaller AI developers better access to computing power, a market currently dominated by tech giants with deeper pockets and lower infrastructure costs. NVIDIA will benefit from hardware sales as well as a share of cloud service revenue generated through the partnership, with Firmus having raised $1.35 billion over 6 months at a valuation of about $5.5 billion earlier this year. The deal shows NVIDIA's AI opportunity is expanding beyond hyperscalers, with the next thing to watch is whether Firmus can turn GPU deployments into contracted cloud revenue. Here are the key growth metrics for NVIDIA: sales growth trailing 12 months, 70.7%, weighted at 25%. EPS growth next 5 years, 47.3%, weighted at 25%. Target price upside, 63.2%, weighted at 20%. Gross margin percent, 74.2%, weighted at 15%. Drawdown from 52-week high, minus 18.8%, weighted at 15%. Overall score, 91.00 out of 100. Metric rating, buy. To summarize, NVIDIA article recommendation is buy, growth stock score is 91.00 out of 100, metric rating, buy. MNSO Miniso Group Holding Limited, an investment holding company. Consumer cyclical sector. Specialty retail. Miniso Group Holding Limited, MNSO, HKX, 9896, announced that its board authorized and approved a new share repurchase program authorizing up to 2 billion Hong Kong dollars in value of outstanding ordinary shares and/or American depository shares, each representing 4 shares, from open market starting from June 30, 2026. The global high-growth value retailer offering variety of trendy lifestyle products featuring distinctive IP designs expects to fund the repurchases under the 2026 share repurchase program from surplus cash on its balance sheet, believing current share price of Miniso Group Holding Ltd ADR has been below intrinsic value. The board has full confidence in Miniso Group Holding Ltd ADR's business outlook and prospects, and believes repurchase will promote interests of shareholders, balance Miniso Group's fast growth and commitment to bringing stable and foreseeable return to shareholders. The proposed repurchase may be made from time to time on open market at prevailing market prices, in privately negotiated transactions, in block trades, or through other legally permissible means depending on market conditions and applicable rules and regulations. Here are the key growth metrics for MNSO: sales growth trailing 12 months, 30.5%, weighted at 25%. EPS growth next 5 years, 47.6%, weighted at 25%. Target price upside, 73.9%, weighted at 20%. Gross margin percent, 44.7%, weighted at 15%. Drawdown from 52-week high, minus 56.0%, weighted at 15%. Overall score, 90.20 out of 100. Metric rating, buy. To summarize, MNSO article recommendation is buy, growth stock score is 90.20 out of 100, metric rating, buy. Micron Technology Incorporated designs, develops, manufactures, and sells memory and storage products in the United States, Taiwan, Japan, mainland China, Hong Kong, Europe, and internationally. Its technology sector. Semiconductors. Micron Technology, MU, shares rose after announcing a new partnership with Anthropic, with Micron now designing and supplying memory and storage for Anthropic's frontier model development. The companies will work together on improving performance, efficiency, and cost of using Anthropic's artificial intelligence models, though Micron did not specify the length of its supply agreement. Micron Technology said it will support the startup's multi-year growth trajectory, though it did not provide a specific timeline. Here are the key growth metrics for MU's: sales growth trailing 12 months, 167%, weighted at 25%. EPS growth next 5 years, 171.5%, weighted at 25%. Target price upside, 47.7%, weighted at 20%. Gross margin percent, 72.6%, weighted at 15%. Drawdown from 52-week high, minus 16.7%, weighted at 15%. Overall score, 90.00 out of 100. Metric rating, buy. To summarize, MU article recommendation is buy, growth stock score is 90.00 out of 100, metric rating, buy. That wraps up today's 3 buy-rated stocks. There are one more buy-rated stock today that you can view at BuyTheDips.news, along with full analysis for every stock. If you found this useful, please like and subscribe for daily signals. Visit BuyTheDip.news to access buy-rated stocks and full growth metrics in real time, the moment they are available rather than after market hours, along with hundreds of additional stocks that weren't rated a buy each trading day. See you next time.